Now class 10th, let us continue the next part. Let us start now Portia's dialogue. Yesterday we came to know that Bassanio had chosen the lead casket and he had expressed his feeling towards Portia. Now what Portia says after that, just see now. You see me, Lord Bassanio, where I stand. You see me, Lord Bassanio, where I stand. You see me, Lord Bassanio, as I stand here, such as I am in reality. Okay, I am in reality. What I am, I am standing here. Though for myself alone, I would not be ambitious in my wish. I have no ambition for myself to be better, okay, but for your sake, to wish myself much better, yet for you. Again, try to understand. You see me, Lord Bassanio, as I stand here, as I am in reality. Okay, what I am in reality. I have no ambition for myself to be better. I do not want to better myself, but for your sake. But for your sake, to wish myself much better, yet for you I would be troubled. 20 times myself. I wish myself to be much better for you, not for myself. I do not want to better myself, but for you I wish myself to be better much. I wish, what he said, 1,000 times more fair. I wish that I might be 60 times myself, 1,000 times more beautiful, 1,000 times more beautiful, 10,000 times more rich, 10,000 times more rich than I am. That only to stand high in your account. I wish to stand respectable in your eyes. I do not want anything for myself, but I wanted to be 10,000 times more beautiful than what I am today. Okay, I would be trebled 20 times means, what does it means? 60 times myself, might be 60 times myself, 1,000 times more beautiful, 10,000 times more richer than what I am today, 10,000 times more rich. That only to stand high. Why I want to do all these things? In order to stand respectable in your eyes. I might be virtues, beauties, livings, friends, exceed account, but the full sum of me is sum of something. Now see children what she said, that I wish to stand respectable in your eyes. I might be worth more than what one can be in terms of virtues. Virtues means qualities, beauty, property and friends. But the sum total of myself is the total of something which may be expressed briefly as an inexperience, means is sum of something which to term in gross, if we measure it, is an unlessoned girl, unschooled, unpracticed, happy in this. Again, try to understand children what she said, that I wish to stand respectable in your eyes. I might be worth more than what I can be in terms of virtues, beauty, property and friend. But the sum total of myself is total of something which can be expressed briefly as unlessoned girl, inexperienced girl, unschooled, untrained, uneducated. Okay, unschooled means uneducated, and unpracticed, untrained. Okay, unlessoned, inexperienced, unschooled, uneducated, and unpracticed, you can say untrained. Okay, happy in this, but I am glad, I am happy in this, I am happy. She is not yet so old. She is not yet so old that she may learn. Why she is happy? I am happy that I am young enough to learn, Happier than this, she is not bred so dull, but she can learn. Okay, what she's saying that I am glad that I am young enough to learn. Happier because I am not so slow in nature that I cannot learn. I'm not bred so dull means I am not so slow that I cannot learn. Happiest, first she is happy because she is not so old that she cannot learn. Then second, happier because she is not so slow in nature that she cannot learn. And happiest of all because that her gentle spirit commits itself to yours to be directed. And I am the happiest of all because I have a gentle disposition that I entrust myself to you. I surrendered myself to you to be guided by you, as if I am the happiest one because I feel glad to be guided by you. Happiest of all that her gentle spirit commits itself to yours to be directed as from her Lord, her Governor, her King. Lord, her Governor, her King. Who is her Lord, her Governor, her King? The Bassanio. Okay. I myself and what is mine to you and yours is now converted. I and all my possessions, my all belongings have now become yours, is now converted, all have become yours. But now I was the Lord of this fair mansion. Mansion means the house. A little while ago, I ruled over this house. I was the master of this house and master of my servant, and master of my servant. I was the master. I have been the mistress of all my servants. Okay. Queen over myself, mistress of my body. And even now, but now, this house, these servants, and this same myself are yours, my Lord. Now, however, now at this moment, from this time, this house, these servants, and myself are yours. I give them with this ring. Now, however, now at this time, at this moment, my house, my palace, my servants, and myself are yours. I offer them to you with this ring. I am giving you all these things with this ring. Okay, which when you part with it, or lose it, or give it away to somebody else, let it persist, then it will be a sign, the ruin of your love, the destruction. Okay, that your love is dead for me, and be my vantage to exclaim on you, and that will be my opportunity for me to shout on you, to accuse you for that.